Good morning, adventurers.
Morning.
We are in Washington State. If you're not familiar with the geography of the U.S., that's in kind of the northwestern tip of the U.S. bordering Canada.
At the very northwestern tip.
Yeah, but we're just a little ways outside of Seattle, pretty much in the middle of nowhere. The coast is actually right over those amazing, majestic mountains over there.
Oh, yeah.
We're in the town of Port Angeles, I think.
Or Angeles?
Something like that.
So today we are going on a hike. I think we're going to see some water. I think there's supposed to be like a lake in the mountains that's supposed to be beautiful.
I mean, take a look at this. The nature around this place is insane.
Yeah, we drove in classic in the dark, so we didn't know. We heard that there were mountains over there, but we didn't see them until this morning. We woke up and we were like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, pretty amazing. There's also, actually before we head out, we're staying in this amazing cabin. If you caught yesterday's video, we showed off just a little bit of it, but now that it's nice and bright, we're gonna give you a proper look around before we leave.
A legit log cabin, and it's so cute.
Let's do it.
Come on, guys. Oh, look, we found an Ashley.
Good morning.
Good morning, Way fam.
I guess it's afternoon by now.
Oh yeah. Did I say good morning in the intro? I can't remember.
Probably, but it's afternoon. Sorry, we didn't quite. We made a big old breakfast, and I forgot to clean it all up. Well, welcome to our little lodge. So as you can see, we have this big, amazing living room. We lit a huge fire last night. I think we're gonna do it again. So come back to see our little room. This is where Eric and I are staying. We got the little downstairs suite. We have a beautiful view of the mountains out there. Big old comfy bed. We have our own heater in here, so it was nice and toasty, even though I think it was like 20 degrees outside last night. There is the full bathroom down here and the bedroom, but there's also this amazing loft up here. They have this cool, awesome bed. They have their own half bath. They have the view down there. They can creep on us if they want to.
Look at Ashley. She's creeping right now so hard. Such a creep.
But they have so many beds, so if you come with a big group, you got beds on beds. You can just, ponder life here, ponder Josh's amazing bun and his amazing pondering abilities as well.
This is how we get the shots. In 1936, Haley, a Kentucky native who became a waitress at Lake Crescent Tavern, murdered a local beer truck driver and known womanizer.
Whoa.
This is the legend of the lake that we're going to?
Yeah, Lake Crescent. Haley suddenly vanished in 1937. Her family didn't hear a word from her for months, while her husband claimed she ran off with another man.
We love supporting homeowners like this with quirky, fun accommodations. So, as usual, we're going to have the link in the description below. If you find yourself in the area, we highly encourage you to book this place. The owners are amazing. We're having an amazing time out here. And now, let's go walk or hike or whatever this is.
It's a hike!
That was a beautiful drive, y'all. What do you guys think of that?
It's so pretty.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Beautiful.
So the trailhead's somewhere around here, and I guess, what was it called again? What's the trail called? We just saw it on the sign, but now I'm blanking. We'll get back to you on that. But we've been driving alongside this lake over here, and I think the trail pretty much follows the lake, right? Yep. It's gonna be beautiful. Gonna get some sweet Instagrams.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we were passing some pristine lake houses on the way.
Yeah,
so if you know anybody with a lake house on Crescent Lake, let us know and then make them our friend.
This whole trail is lined with these majestic trees covered in moss. I'm trying to figure out what the heck they are. Ashley said they were spruce.
Spruce? I think a lot of these trees are spruce trees.
Okay, well if we're dead wrong, leave us a comment and let us know which tree you guys are gonna do, whether I say that or not.
They're definitely pretty though, and green.
Yeah,
and big.
They're really cool.
And coniferous.
Eric just noticed this stump that has like a whole bush growing out of it. I don't think I've ever seen that before.
Yeah, so you've got this stump of a tree with a little head of hair on top.
The most stylish tree in the whole forest.
It's pretty cool. So we're walking into a badass cave right now. It's really freaking sweet. What we learned is that it was part of the old railroad, I guess, that ran through here.
Yeah, I think it was maybe just a short section to move
Yeah,
trees.
to move the trees around or out of here or something like that.
Yeah. But
Pretty
now,
freaking cool though.
Shut down, you're just gonna walk through it.
Yeah. This is just one of a bunch of beautiful little streams on this hike.
So I will say this is the coolest way to get the water across the path. All the other waterways have been underneath it. This is pretty classy, Washington. I'm digging it.
It's funny, we're usually hiking with people who aren't YouTubers, so they get really frustrated at us because we stop every 2 seconds to film stuff or get photos. But it's funny being with people who are YouTubers because then we get it. Although you guys are taking forever. Can we go already? Come on. God. Divas.
Seriously, it's not like that's exactly what I'm doing here.
Go follow our Instagram @WayWayMag.
Their Instagram is @TheEndlessAdventure. So head over there, give it a follow, and we'll see you on the road. This water is really clear and very kind of like does a gradient down to like green, blue depths. It's really nice. Makes me want to jump in, except I'd probably die of hypothermia.
Yeah, Ashley told us this morning that this is the second deepest lake in the state of Washington.
That's
and they
crazy.
Said they haven't even gotten to the bottom. They just know that it's at least or over 1,000 feet, I believe.
We walked a long time and we're like, where is it? We don't remember it being this long and far away. Well, it's way back there, almost at the beginning where we went into the tunnel. And we walked this far. We walked so far, almost halfway around Lake Crescent.
We dumb.
Yeah. So I think it's like 2 miles back this way?
Yeah. So we were supposed to,
my
I think
gosh.
what we're thinking is that we weren't supposed to go in that tunnel we went through ages ago. We were supposed to go around it.
And then we would have found it.
Yeah. Because what we're looking for is like this bridge that you cross that we have not seen yet.
Well,
That's sad.
yeah. At least we saw,
We got our exercise in.
all of Lake Crescent today. That
Yeah.
was beautiful.
We're gonna stop right here and get our lunch on. Ashley was kind enough to make these amazing wraps with a spinach tortilla. What else we got in here? Turkey, cranberry, cream cheese, and
And more
spinach.
spinach.
Is there anything else in there?
Just love.
Oh.
That's very good. Very good job.
So earlier, we came through this tunnel. Had we gone around here, we would have ended the hike and been back at the car. But we kept going that way for about 4 extra miles. Pretty good workout for today. Check it out, you guys. We found a bridge.
We found the bridge.
The bridge. This is what brought us here.
This is the place we were supposed to be at 2 hours ago. It's not worth a 3-hour hike, but it is totally worth a 30-minute walk.
I blame Josh.
I'm not tired, and I'm not regretting our decisions. I'm just living in the moment. This is Instagram pro status right here.
1, 2, 3. That is so still. 1, 2, 3.
We conquered the bridge. We flew all the drones. Now we're getting the heck out of here.
Time to get in that hot tub.
Champagne! Woo! So we were gonna go out to the hot tub, but I think we're not. And I think instead we're just gonna drink our champagne and eat this delicious meal that Ashley prepared.
This is Mexican quinoa. We have quinoa, black beans, roasted tomatoes, and corn. And then we have some slices of turkey in there. And our little fixings are lime, cilantro, sour cream, chips, and avocado.
Yeah!
Yep.
I've already been digging in.
So delicious.
And it's good. It's real good.
Oh my gosh, you guys. What we needed after a 27-mile hike today. Just kidding. It ended up being how much? 7.5 miles?
Yeah, it was way too much.
But it was absolutely beautiful. If you
Yeah.
have the legs for it, I recommend blazing on past that Devil's Punch Bowl and just go as far as you can. But make sure you go and check out the Way. We will link below to their channel.
Ta-da!
And you can watch their videos from our time together to get a different perspective on the day, which is always fun. We are probably taking out the day tomorrow, and then we are headed to Seattle. Our first time in Seattle, and I cannot wait. We're gonna drink coffee, we're gonna eat food, and do whatever you do in Seattle. So, good night, adventurers.
We'll see you on the road.
Adventures. Phew, adventures.